emergency exit row, stow your carry-on baggage in the overhead bins only. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins, as items might fall out. In case of an emergency, you must leave all your carry-on baggage on board. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted at any time. All electronic devices with a transmitting function must be switched off or turned to flight mode. Inform the crew immediately should your electronic device become damaged or produce heat or smoke. Please fasten your seatbelt and pull it tight. Make sure that the back of your seat is in its full upright position. Your table is stowed and your window shade is open. You are required to observe all signs and to follow the instructions given by the crew. We are now ready for takeoff.